for me, the most pleasant thing so far has been meeting lots of new people. I'm a people's person, so I always am so interested in getting to know about different cultural backgrounds and possibly making connections for the nearest future. I think that's what life is about. So yeah, I mean, it's about happiness, and we just had a relaxation section, so where we had to go into our own little garden to relax. So it was fun, and we still have about 3 more days left. So I'm looking forward to more fun things.
So my favorite experience during this project in Lithuania was dancing the typical Lithuanian dances, because it was very special for us to get to know this part of the culture. Also, apart from food and from architecture that we're seeing, the dance is a very important part of the culture. We really enjoyed it. It was very fun. We had so much fun. I'm sweating, so that means we really put a lot of effort in it, and that's my favorite part of the project.